Hello traders, welcome to Moneymaker Edge updates by myself, Konstantin Vedernikov. Today I'm going to talk about those following things. First, daily update, why I say bubble in a bubble, and the lowest price that I'm looking to hit before really start to buy any stocks at long term, and the short-term target that I'm looking for, and also like the tree move that we may see in next weeks. There's no specific timing for my targets, long and lowest um, for long term and short term, but definitely is the I'm going to just mention where we should see the market go uh, before start to see some nice pullback to the last tops. So first, what happened last week? Basically, uh, rally on December after December 24, consolidation, market looking for direction, fall, great selling, great entry for selling S&P 500 or stocks actually. Uh, Today, as I said, because I said that I'm gonna do the updates after the market close. The reason is very simple. It's first, um, I was interested to see if the buyers will close above or under the previous price low, so of 70, 80, 25, and also how um, basically the unsupported price, how big it will be from both sides. So that's what we got today. Market is closed. What I'm looking for this week, at least for 2-3 days, it's to see the some pullback, 50% of the last candlestick as minimum. So it's going to be about this level. As you can see, at this level, we have many resistance. The 1880.05, it's pretty important. So there's many resistance between this. There's also like the market can go about till 1815. Definitely looking for sellers, be strong and keep the price at under the 50 moving average. Uh, if it doesn't, it's not a big deal, but if they do fail to keep under a 50 moving average, we may see again the double top. The market go to the double top, since we actually hit and create M pattern. As you can see here, we get back the profits that it was made by last buyers on the rally. So the rally is actually like those who make money, they actually lost all here. So interesting to see if the market gonna be nice with all others who bought it there, or he gonna just take more money from them. So that's for short term that I'm looking for. If the continuation happen, double bottom the first thing, 200 moving average, the target that I'm looking to hit, um, or at least like as close as possible. Close above, double top the first. Not really interesting to take any transaction long term after what we just saw. The volatility is very good, and the potential for another drop also it's extremely good for the next days. So second, why this market, it's a bubble in a bubble. Like I call it this way. I don't know if people did call this way before. So that's by the way, it's a ES, E-mini futures. Every candlestick is a 40 minutes chart. That's mean it's a day and overnight. It's the reason I use it give more precision, and it's easier to work with. So this, it's after the market fall. start to buy, good movements. That's actually a bull market that became at this price. 1432. 1432, it's very important price. This price is the double top of two of 2008 and 2000, and this price range that you can fall is between 1430 and 1320. Just to show you why, basically it's at even higher. So at this level, 1480, that's the highest price. So my perfect thing before long term, I mean, that's a long-term target I'm looking is to fall in the at this price. It's about my 20 minus 20 to 25 market correction. Once we're gonna fall, stay for a couple of weeks, consolidation, basically looking for the same thing as here to this point. And the reason why I'm saying it's a bubble in a bubble, so to explain you a little bit what happened, right now the market was respect the trends, uh, go long, touch the high when the price was too high, start to correct. Sellers and buyers actually was in harmony, as I like to call, say. Um, they keep the trend, they respect it. Everything was nice and nicely done. So sellers and buyers was definitely like uh, agree with the price that market should be. And as we break the 2000, the 2000 2008 tops, we can see buyers start just to buy, keep buying, keep buying, keep buying, keep buying with no stop, almost. I mean, some selling spot. That's actually, I think, some people call it distribution, and they was keep buying with no stop, and that's usually it's when it get out from the trend, it's more saying it's a bubble. So that's the long first bubble. Second one, it's at this point. I'm gonna copy paste. As you can see, after going way too high, sellers and buyers start to be much more so become again following the rules of the trend, not overbought. I mean, as the market was going too high, they let the price go lower and everything. So they was respecting that bullish trend, but at one point the buyers start to be overexcited again, and I think this it's a period of October, September, November. The reason I mentioned those 3 months, it's where everybody start to buy stocks, doesn't matter which one, they're just buying whatever they find to buy. And uh, the reason, actually, I'm not going to say the specific reason why, but I'm just mentioning that that's where everybody start to buy stocks, uh, and basically, yeah, that's why we saw those the market get out from the trend. They tried to, okay, we're gonna just analyze the this overbought price. So that's the trend we see right now. We go over they tried to take money from those one, like those one was all overbought. They took those people's money. The market took people's money. Uh, it get the buyers get in the market again, bumps again, a fall, take it out those one. That's what we see again right now. It's the market I mean, uh, taking back the profit from last buyers, and It's definitely possible that we just go at the highest level and keep gonna go high. The reason why I'm more looking this for actually like be a very important sell-off, it's because of the volatility. The candlestick is extremely strong. I don't know who's gonna start to sell to buy right now. Um, and the volume are definitely in 2 3 days just keep selling, 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 extremely high too. If you look at those move of selling, it's not that big. Of this one, I mean, yeah, strong volume, very little candlestick, and the buyer just get in the market after just after back. Uh, Here we got a short one and just get back. Actually, it was more like a consolidation, but the volatility of this one candlestick and this with the same volume is definitely a big indication. So that's the first thing. There's definitely resistance point, very important. It's important to see how the where's if we're gonna pass the 50 moving average. If not, look into the 100 moving average. That's gonna be actually like about minus 8 to 10% market correction in just maybe like for the in 2 3 months that I'm looking for. What about this correction minus 20 to 25%? It's definitely go back to the last highs where I'm looking to fall for a couple of weeks, like I said, and where it's going to be an interesting entry to buy for mid short term in stocks. Also, the perfect price that I'm looking to go is to 1400. If you remember here, that was the gap after what everybody just started to buy, and this price is very important. See, I don't know if you did watch the video of or read the blog about from Joel Wissing about season of fill the gaps, and every stocks have the same gaps at some point. And if you look at that, it's basically the same chart, and definitely all those it's the last buyers that get in the market, and because of a few reasons that I said I cannot tell you, uh, they the market should go back at this at 400. And if we keep falling, if we pass the 200 moving average, we close above, definitely next target 1480 in a long mid-term, and that's going to be amazing. Great profits for those who know how to short. Uh, as you can see, passing the 200 moving average won't be that easy. Resisting at this point, if we once we're gonna get hit it, and yeah, just watch the market how it will go this week. Uh, I will keep watching, and if there's any call to make, but I will probably wait to the weekends to do any new videos. So yeah, if you have guys any question looking to join us for the course, or uh, I mean you guys have any question about the market, how we do and everything, go on moneymakeredge.com/blog. There's our blogs, or you can also contact us. There's more information about how to contact us from Facebook, I think Twitter's too. You can also call Joel Wissing for more information about the course. There's at Montreal, Calgary. There's also in States. He do live 3 days live training. Amazing. It's actually the only one that I took it, and I can trade stocks, forex, commodities, bonds. Doesn't matter what. Uh, on market, and actually using almost zero indicator. And you can call him at 866-640-3737. Thank you for watching this video. Any comments, leave it, like it. Have a nice day, everyone.